So the first step is catching your horse. And you know, the Western way is I'd take my lasso, I'd rope her, I'd pull her in, and I'd jerk her around, put a halter on her. And another way, a gentler way, is I'd rope her and then I'd take my flag and work my way up my lasso. But I'm going to show you how to do it the natural way, where we don't use no ropes to catch them or nothing. We walk up, we pet them, we touch them first. You know, it starts with the foundation. And I don't think she'll let me touch it right off the bat. Oh, babes. Oh, babe. Oh, yeah, so you can see she not one to be caught, but the way she turned away is good. Shows facing up, which is a trick I'll show you. And the way she moves, we'll see. So, you know, there's no ropes in my hand. We'll turn her, which we don't want, so we're going to put more pressure. So be careful because it's slick, but I want to show you guys this lesson. So I'm going to get her to face up here. Read the pressure. Light pressure, go to it. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Just keep it up. Just keep it up. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. So again, with the thing I just did about making horses face up and turn towards you, I spoke to her physically and verbally using two different types of language out of the three to communicate with my horse. And whenever I did so, it quieted her down and then it taught her a lesson. When you get a horse to face up naturally, that's a lot better than pulling on their nose, pulling on their head. It teaches them to read your body. And then it quiets them down because that's a game that horses play. There's a game where when you jip them and you stop them, you pace up to them. You go in a zigzag, you don't make eye contact because you are prey too. So the way you approach a horse when you catch them is very important. I'll show you that. Come on, girl. Good girl. Oh. Back off. There. Good girl. Give her a second. When you approach, look down. We're going at a zigzag. You can watch her feet if you must. You don't want to go too far out to where you're going to drive her away. Give her a second to think. She's curious. She's curious. Now we're going to go and we're going to keep walking our way up. Easy, baby. Talk to her as you do it. This game is what studs play to welcome a horse into the herd. And then turn away. Let her come to you. Good girl. Good girl. Yes. Sophie. Good girl. And inch your way up. Okay? Inch your way up. Good girl. Better. Good girl. You can feel the muscles relax as you show her kind affection to catch her. Good baby. Good girl. I see her ears moving. Means she's listening and she's paying attention to my touch. Good girl. Good girl. Something I wanted to show before I continued is the way I tied this off. Oh, baby. So this is like a slip knot in case something was to happen and I needed to get released. Let's see. So I just come through. Oh, baby. Easy now. Easy. And easy there. And then I go come through, around, and then back through. So that way if something happens, I just push on a knot and it loosens it. So just so I let everybody know. So now that I have her caught, I'm going to jip around a couple more times, going both ways, making her face up, just to make sure she understands the lesson. Naturally she did it, and in a herd they understand how to do that because it shows respect. And the way I caught her was a gentle way that also in a herd welcomes you into their herd or welcomes a new member into yours. So she's trusted me quite a bit. She's let me halter. She's quieted down since I very first met her. So those are all good things.